tired of juggling different versions of your important files across your devices? Let's fix that today by getting Dropbox synced on your PC. First, head over to the Dropbox website and download the desktop application once the download is complete. Run the installer. You'll be guided through a simple setup process. If you already have a Dropbox account, log in with your existing credentials. If not, you'll have the option to create a new, free account. After logging in, Dropbox will automatically create a special folder on your computer. This is your personal Dropbox. Anything you place inside this folder will be automatically uploaded to your Dropbox account in the cloud, and then sync to any other devices where you're logged into Dropbox with the same account. You'll notice a Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar. This icon is your control center. It shows the sync status of your files. If you see a green checkmark beside a file or folder, it means it's fully synced and up to date. If you see uploading arrows, Dropbox is actively working to update your files. To start syncing, simply drag and drop any files or folders you want to access across devices into this dedicated Dropbox folder on your PC. You can organize it with subfolders just like you would with any other folder on your computer. Everything inside will be automatically synchronized. And that's it. Now, any changes you make to files within your Dropbox folder on your PC will reflect instantly on your other connected devices. And vice versa. This ensures you always have your latest work, photos, and documents readily available wherever you are.